Okay, let's start with a reminder about how you're going to do this stuff. So, got the steps 1.1, 2, and 3. So you want to make sure you get each of these bars by themselves to at least 240 before moving on to step 2. So let's say, for example, you get 1.1 and 1.2 past 240, but for whatever reason, step number 1.3, you're stuck at 220, or that's as far as you've gotten. Do not move on to step 2 until this last part is up to the 240 or beyond. So you're going to treat each thing separately. So work that up as fast as you can by itself, then that, and then that. Make sure you add in those repeats at the end. And then you work on steps 2.1 and 2.2. So that individually from that. Got to get both of those up to the 240 or beyond, preferably faster, before you put it all back into the full step 3. All right, so this guy, I think I will get a close-up of what my right hand's doing so you can see what we talked about yesterday a little bit more clearly. And I'll demonstrate some repetitions as well. Let's see. Okay, so here we go at 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. And at the slow speeds, go ahead and exaggerate that motion. Like really turn your arm so the pick changes to this angle and come up and out. Like really make it a point to do that on the final 16th note. All right, 100, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $60. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ugh. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ugh. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew. 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 20. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe not. I might not be able to get this one. That string skip is a pain in the butt at this speed. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nah. Oh well. So yeah, these that is really just about getting you used to changing the strings, and a bit of exaggeration with that motion of going from here to here, especially with the string skip. This way, when you're just going from one string to an adjacent one, it should be a lot easier. Alright, let's see. Also updated the scale stuff, so you're going up one string at a time, all 7 strings. So for the theory, there's a couple things. Let's see. First one, got this blank here. I'd like you to try doing this at a lower octave, so playing it starting in the open position. That doesn't mean you follow exactly how this is laid out, but I do want you to start in the open position, see how that goes. And let's see, right here we have a chord to be corrected. D major is not correct. In here, need you to double check the notes you have. A Aeolian is what you need, but A Aeolian is not what is tabbed out. Something is wrong. And then down here at the bottom, here's what you have originally. And what I'd like you to do is find 2 other ways of playing, or not 2 other ways. Find another way of playing the B diminished to the A minor. And then once you have that filled in, send it over. It'll let you know how it looks. And then it'll have you play between the 2 and see what you think is easiest or perhaps the best route. A good hint here to figure out where to go is, instead of thinking about going from F to B diminished to A minor, think about going from E minor to A minor. Sometimes going backwards can tie the whole thing together and help you see things more clearly, or more efficiently, that is. Because it's one thing going from like left to right, but thinking about how you're going to tie it all together can really change things. So yeah, think about where would you go from E minor to A minor in the least amount of distance, and then go from there. Alright, any questions, let me know, and I will see you in some videos next week.